Hello everyone. Today we'll study about the oxidation of alcohols. Let us start. So this is the general reaction for oxidation of alcohol. This is the alcohol, and when it is oxidized, then what happens? The carbon oxygen double bond is forming, and the oxygen and hydrogen bond is breaking, as well as the carbon hydrogen bond is breaking. Okay, and there is formation of carbon oxygen double bond here. So in this way oxidation of alcohol occurs. And what is happening, that dihydrogen is leaving, this hydrogen atom and this hydrogen atom, they are leaving, so dihydrogen is leaving, so therefore this is also known as a dehydrogenation reaction. Okay, now this is the way the alcohol are oxidized. First, alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde, then aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is the oxidation of alcohols to first aldehyde, then to carboxylic acid. Okay, now the reagents which can be used for that. So potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, is a strong oxidizing agent. So it can be used for converting the alcohols directly to carboxylic acid. Okay. Next reagent is chromium anhydride, that is CrO3. So chromium anhydride, what it does, that it changes the alcohol, the primary alcohol, to aldehyde. This is aldehyde, and the secondary alcohol to ketone. So the chromium anhydride does this. Also the PCC reagent is what? Pyridium chlorochromate. So this also does the same, that it changes the primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. Now what about the tertiary alcohol? Tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation reaction. If you want to oxidize tertiary alcohol, you have to use drastic conditions like very strong reagent like KMnO4, as well as heating. Then only it can be oxidized, and that too, what will happen, that it will change to carboxylic acid, and the carbon-carbon bonds will break down, and smaller means the carboxylic acid will be formed with lesser number of carbon atoms. Okay, now so we have discussed the KMnO4, CrO3 and PCC reagents, what they does. Now the fourth reagent which we can use for oxidation is copper and heating. So if we use copper and temperature 573 Kelvin in each case, then what happens? So this is the primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, and this is tertiary alcohol. So when we add copper and at temperature 573 Kelvin, then primary alcohol is changed to what? Aldehyde, and secondary alcohol is changed to ketone. But the tertiary alcohol, when we add copper and heat it at 573 Kelvin, then what happens, that here alkene is formed, not it is not oxidized, so this is not an oxidation reaction. Here alkene is formed. How? This OH is removed and one of the hydrogen atom from the methyl groups is removed, and so the H2O molecule is removed and alkene is formed in this reagent, copper reagent. So this was all the aspects of oxidation of alcohol. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.